In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GPTease to come up with content ideas. Let's get into it. So when you first get inside GPTease, this is exactly what you're going to see. You're going to see our chat interface, the chat box at the bottom, some prompt suggestions to get started, and then this icon here, which is a prompt library, and you can choose pre-filled prompts we've created for you, and then edit them and use them as you wish. On the left side, you'll see your chat history, and then right here in the pink text, you'll be able to personalize GPTease. Now, I'm not going to use a pre-filled prompt. I'm going to prompt GPTease right here in the chat box myself and ask it for some content ideas. And then once you're done writing your prompt, you can hit enter or you can click this icon right here. And what's going to happen is GPTease is going to give you two different responses. It's going to give you a response 1 on the left and a response 2 on the right. This first response on the left is going to be very instructional. It's going to try to give you exactly what you asked for. This response 2 on the right is going to be a little bit more creative. This is going to give you some things a little bit more outside the box, and it'll have a little bit more fun with it. Now let's read through both the responses, and you're going to have to select a response to continue. Okay, so I'm really liking this response over here on the right. Now, if I wanted to try to prompt GPTease again, let's say, come up with 10 more ideas, you'll notice it doesn't let me send that prompt. Because this little black square is there, it's stopping you from continuing to prompt GPTease. Why this is happening is because we didn't select a response, so always remember to select one to continue. Once you've selected the response that you like, you're going to see it fill the entire screen. So what you're left with is your original prompt and the response that you chose. Now, if you scroll to the bottom of that response, you're going to see a couple icons. You're going to see this icon where you can copy it. This way you can take that list and go create those ideas. You're going to see this icon where you can share your chat, either the entire chat, the prompt and the response, or just the response alone. Once you've decided how you want to share your chat, you can create the link, copy it, and share it with another creator friend. This last icon here with the arrows is how you're going to see the other response that you didn't choose. That's right. It means that every time you prompt GPTease, both sides of the chat that it gave you are still available. This is really handy in case you want to go back, select a little bit of the original response that you didn't choose, and then combine it with the one that you did. Now that you've got your content ideas, all you have to do is start filming them. And that's it. Now you have endless content ideas and inspiration at your fingertips with GPTease. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.